A football team plays some games in a season. Each game was a win, a draw, or a loss. The ratio of the games they won to the games they didn't win was 9-7. The ratio of the games they lost to the games they didn't lose was 1-7. Given the team played less than 50 games, work out the highest number of games they could have won. So this is a ratios question where there are three things we need to look at: the losses, the wins, and the draws. So the ratio of wins to not wins is 9-7. Losses to not losses, 1-7. So the first thing we need to do is to add up the number of parts on each side. 1 plus 7 is 8. 9 plus 7 is 16. We want them to be an equal number. We need to find the lowest common multiple of 16 and 8, which would be 16. So we can leave the left one for now and multiply this by 2 to make 2 to 14. This would mean that in 16 games, 2 were losses, 14 were not losses. Now, 9 of them would also be wins. So how many draws would there be? Well, 16 minus 9 minus the 2 is 16 minus 11, which is 5. So there would be 5 draws. So in 16 games, win to draw to loss would be 9 to 5 to 2. Now, that's in 16 games. Given the team played less than 50 is the question. You need to keep that ratio. So what's the highest multiple of 16, which is below 50? Well, that would be 48. 48 over 16 is 3. You can multiply that by the 9 to get 27. So that would mean that in 48 games, which is the highest number of games they could have played, which is less than 50, they would have won 27 games.